All right, guys. This is the Lasfit LED lights that I just got. As you previously seen, this is what my wife got me for Christmas. And this is the note she left. Ha ha ha. Very funny, babe. It comes with the Lasfit. I'm not even sure that's how you say it. I mean, I guess you say Lasfit. I'm hearing other people say, hey, that's how I'm gonna say it. Lasfit. Comes with this. And also you're become eligible for free prototypes. I'm down like the ground, baby. Comes with a little instruction manual. You can scan it, go straight to the website, social media sites. And these are the bulbs. And you know what, guys? For 30 bucks, it is not that bad. I looked at tons of reviews, and compared to others, you know, I'm not trying to spend 150 bucks on a bulb when other reviews says that these are pretty good. Now the vehicle I'm putting this in is a 2016 Corolla. If you look at my channel, you should know that by now. Plug and play, simple to do. I'm not sure if I'm gonna record it when I do it, but it's usually just me out there and my cell phone, so that's why I don't record the whole thing, especially when I get up underneath the car. Babe, we got a sweet. Check it. This is the back of the box. Boom. Lighting source flip chip, COB chip. Apparently it's supposed to be a pretty good chip. Built-in driver ballast. 9 volts to 16 volts. This is 60 watt. So 30 watt a bulb. The 60 watt is set. I originally thought it was 60 watt per bulb. I was like, man, it's gonna be pretty bright, but nah. Lumens is 3,800 lumens each. So when it says 76 lumens for the set, that's 3,800 split in half. So each bulb has 3,800 lumens. The color temperature is 6,000 K, warranty 1 year. You guys have actually seen this stuff being reviewed and compared to HID lights. So off of the things that I've seen and reviews that I've read and videos that I've seen, these are supposed to be very good. So I will give you my own observation once I put these in, and if I can give you a proper video to record while I'm doing it, I will do so. If not, you'll just see the stock bulbs light and how these look afterwards. Once again, I'm putting these in a 2016 Toyota Corolla. Dale. All right, everyone, I can't wait till the evening time. So I'm gonna go out there now and put these bulbs in. I'm supposed to be working on cars inside the building I'm at, but hey, whatever, we gonna do and see what happens. Oh, you gonna stop singing now, huh? She gonna kill me. All right, everyone. Make sure this ain't recorded. Boom. All right. So there's 2 screws you gotta remove. One right here, and then this one here. This, of course, is tucked away. And then once you remove those 2 screws, we're able to reach up. Go. There it is. So you have to remove this clip first, and you do that by pushing this tab down. You push this tab down, remove it, and then you turn the bulb. I already got the bulb out counterclockwise, and then it'll slide right out. I do have to say that this is the front of the car. this is how it fits in the vehicle, well, in the housing. It's not, I don't know, I wanted it to be straight, so I wanted each LED to be on both sides. Now that it's just at an angle. The reason why I want it on both sides is because usually, you know, the reflectors in here illuminates further out here. But I'm not sure if that makes too much of a difference. But I'm OCD, so this is kind of bothering me a little bit. And as you can see in here, and if you can see the housing where it clips in, it's not too snug of a fit. You see it right, I don't want to put my finger in there, but you see that chrome part and that little white clip that's out hanging? All right, this is the hardest part. Trying to fit this thing inside the housing. Oh my God. It literally took me 20 minutes to do the first one because it really didn't feel that right at all. But experience is key. Let's see how this one turns out. All right, everyone, that was my personal babble, but I fixed it. It is now in there. It is nice and tight. Boom, 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 boom. That's how it's supposed to look. All right, everyone. That was like the last part of the front of my vehicle. If anything, I'm doing to it because this stuff right here, the way these lights look right now, you are not going to get any brighter than what they are right now on the 2016 Corolla. Now, they do have these these laser headlight things, bi-LED or something like that. Yeah, that's gonna be next. That's for right now. This is what it's gonna be. And wait till you see this. I mean, it is amazing. It's only in the daylight. Now, I've got the light bar turned on because, I mean, it's a light bar and it's white. I can adjust the lighting. Shout out to Oxbeam. Put that thing in there and wow, what a difference. But anyway, let me stop the hesitation. Let me just show you right now. Boom, baby. Yo, these things are bright. Super bright. Super stupid bright. You can see and I'm pretty sure now the way the bulbs are facing, they're left to right and they're not up and down. The chips are, there's a chip on this side, a chip on this side. Now when the chips are up and down, the glare is going up, and that's how a lot of people get glare in their eyes and get, you know, flash, because it's the way the bulbs are positioned. You always want to have your bulbs left to right, all right? Because right here is where I get a lot of glare, right here. As of over here, I'm good. All the light is directed down on the ground. So, food for thought. But man, these things are bright. I mean, this light bar is very bright as well. And this is also a light bar that changes color, so I obviously can't do it without losing my phone. But yo, check this out. I cannot wait to see what these lights look like at nighttime. We're definitely going to be doing some night riding tonight, folks. Shout out to Shine Graphics. Emmanuel. What's up, guy? That's my guy. Well, I think I lied, folks. I got to get the LED high beams. And then that's it. Damn, look mean, boy. Alright guys, this is a nighttime view of the fog lights. These things are really bright. You can obviously see when they're on. So they're on right now, and I just cut them off. They're off, they're on. These things are really bright. Like stupid, super bright. Dale. Alright, I'll put this phone down and I'll continue recording later on once I get inside them city streets. Merry Christmas. You can see the glare on how the bulbs are angled. It's facing up. And I'm on the side of the car. And you can see I'm kind of lit. I'm not lit yet, but fog lights making me lit. Hey. Look at that beam pattern. Ooh. Lights out. It does go pretty high up there, but I've been driving for about, let's say 45 minutes, haven't got flashed. And again, you can see the glare is higher on this side. Right there. You see how it goes down a little bit? See how the glare got higher? So because the bulb is facing left and right, if it was up and down, this will be hitting people in the eyes, but it's left to right, so most of it's going on the side. It's very important to have your bulb like this. All of y'all that don't have it like that, stop flashing people. I'm not even gonna turn on the light bar because that will just light up that whole building up there. Should I do it? Let me do it. I'll do it one time. Sorry about that, I had a phone call, but you ready? Boom. That's the fog, well, that's the light bar. Woo. Alright, that's it, folks. Oop. I'm gonna drop the phone. I'm done recording. Don't forget to like, add, subscribe. Go back to my other videos. Like them too. I'm pretty sure you'll see some you like. If you're looking at this video, I'm pretty sure you see some you like in the other videos. Leave comments. Let me know what I can do different. I'm just an average Joe, making some videos with little whatnots I'm doing to my car. So, yeah. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. And as always, Dale.
Daddy, what are you doing?
Dale, buddy.
Alright.
Yeah.